Hey, okay. Wanna play?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kayleigh.
Hey, Kayleigh. Play football?
Yeah.
What position do you play?
Striker.
Who's your favourite player, Kayleigh?
Ramsey.
What? Why? No, he's the most annoying person in the squad.
What are you lying for? We're going to have to go now and do a warm-up. So see you in a bit, yeah?
Yeah.
You got the camera on?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got another camera behind you. You filmed today. You're going to be a superstar today.
Yeah.
Who's your favourite player?
Ramsey.
Ramsey. You've gone for Ramsey, my lovely. Good choice. Have you met him?
Yeah.
You met him earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to watch him do some training?
Yeah.
Enjoy. Nice to meet you.
This side, move this side, whatever.
How old are you, Kayleigh?
10.
10. Where are you from?
Fishguard.
Okay.
Pembrokeshire connection.
Perfect question.
Who's your favourite football player when you were growing up?
Good question. I had two favourites. I had Zidane was my favourite that I used to watch the most, and then as a Welshman, Ryan Giggs was always a favourite of mine as well. Good question. You okay?
Yeah.
From Fishguard, are you?
Yeah.
I'm from Marbot, so not too far away. You had a good day?
Yeah.
That's good. Do you want a picture? You got some questions for me, have you?
Yeah.
Are they good ones?
Yeah.
All right.
What would you be if you weren't a football player?
Realistically, one of my best pals has his own plumbing business, so I would probably have joined him and been a plumber.
What's your favourite animal?
I get told I look like a giraffe.
How many goals have you saved for Wales?
Millions. Millions.
What kind of music do you like?
Everything from all the guitar to a bit of rap, R&B. Who's your favourite? Who do you like at the minute?
Don't know.
He's my favourite as well, you know. Build Me Up Buttercup, absolute classic. Because you only got to sing it. You were trying to get me to sing now, weren't you? I'm on to you, I was going to go as well.
You know when you score, yeah, your
Yeah,
team, they have to dab.
You have to dab?
Yeah.
Can you dab?
Yeah.
Go on, go show me one. You have to bring the lip.
Yeah.
But I've got dead long arms, so I so.